You're standing on a street corner lost. People walk past you and you can't ask for help because the words won't come out. This lesson is for beginner English learners who freeze when they need to speak in real situations. By the end, you'll know exactly how to ask for directions and actually understand the answer. Miss this and you'll waste hours lost or pay for expensive taxis. Brian, when was the last time you got lost?
Last week, actually.
What happened?
I was looking for a restaurant, had no idea where it was.
Did you ask someone?
No, I just used my phone.
Right, but what if your phone dies?
Then I'm stuck.
Exactly. So let's fix that. The simplest way to ask is this. Excuse me, where is the subway station?
Excuse me, where is the subway station?
Perfect. That works for anything. Where is the library? Where is the bank? Where is the coffee shop?
Okay, but what if I don't know the name of the place?
Then describe it. Excuse me, where is the nearest bathroom?
Where is the nearest bathroom?
Yes, or where is the closest ATM?
Got it, but what if they start giving directions and I get confused?
That's the hard part. Americans give directions fast.
Way too fast.
So you need this phrase. Sorry, could you repeat that more slowly?
Could you repeat that more slowly?
Excellent. Say it again.
Could you repeat that more slowly?
Now let's learn the direction words you'll hear. They might say, go straight.
Go straight means keep walking forward?
Exactly. Then they might say, turn left or turn right.
Those I know.
Good. What about go past the bank?
Past means like go by it?
Yes, you walk by it but don't stop.
Okay, that makes sense.
Here's another one. It's on your left or it's on your right.
So which side it's on?
Right. And they might say it's 2 blocks away.
What's a block?
A block is the distance between 2 streets. So 2 blocks means you pass 2 streets.
Oh, that's actually helpful.
Let's practice a real conversation. You ask me where the post office is.
Excuse me, where's the post office?
Go straight for 2 blocks, then turn right. It's on your left.
Sorry, could you repeat that more slowly?
Sure. Go straight 2 blocks, then turn right. It's on your left.
Okay, I think I got it.
See? You can always ask them to slow down.
What if I still don't understand?
Then ask them to show you. Say, could you point me in the right direction?
Could you point me in the right direction?
Yes, or even simpler, which way?
Which way?
That's it. They'll usually point.
That's so much easier.
Now here's a phrase you might hear. It's around the corner.
Around the corner means what?
Very close. You turn at the next street and it's right there.
Got it.
Or they might say it's across the street.
On the other side?
Exactly. One more. It's next to the bank.
Next to means beside?
Yes, right beside it.
These are really useful.
Let's do one more practice. Ask me where the pharmacy is.
Excuse me, where is the pharmacy?
It's across the street next to the coffee shop.
Oh, that's clear.
See? When you know these words, directions make sense.
What if someone says something I don't understand at all?
You say, sorry, I'm not from here. Is it walking distance?
Is it walking distance?
Yeah, that tells them you need simple directions.
Smart.
And if it's too far, they'll usually tell you to take a bus or taxi.
What do I say then?
How do I get there by bus?
How do I get there by bus?
Perfect. Now you're ready for any situation.
I actually feel way more confident.
Good, because here's the truth. Most people want to help.
Really?
Yeah, they just need you to ask.
I never thought of it that way.
So don't be afraid. Just say, excuse me, and ask.
I'll try that.
And remember, if you don't understand, always ask them to repeat it.
No shame in that.
None at all. Here's my question for you. What place do you always have trouble finding? Drop it in the comments. And if this helped, subscribe for more real English lessons. We're making speaking easy, one phrase at a time.
See you next time.
Bye.